guys, welcome to Mansi.design. Today we will see how to test the filter on the device. First you need to click on this icon for testing, then add experience, then this box will open. Click on insert. Then make sure Instagram, camera and Facebook is selected. By this you can test on both social media. If you have the same email ID for both accounts, then click on done. Then again click on test on the device and click on send of whichever social media you want to test it on. Then it will take time to upload and then it will send the notification on Instagram or Facebook, whichever you have chosen to send. Then this kind of notification will pop up on Instagram. Then select this and then continue to test. And always remember to refresh the Spark AR test on device and the Instagram if you have changed the filter. For this kind of interesting video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye bye.